Well, looks like we've got Android running on factory headset on a VF Commodore. Track up, track back, track back. Okay Google, make a call.
Who do you want to call?
Cancel.
Okay, no problem.
Okay Google, navigate.
Where do you want to go?
Home.
Navigating to home.
I'll just get rid of that because it's got my address on there. Okay Google, go to Spotify.
Opening Spotify.
Okay Google, play Like from Radio.
Okay, to get started, ask again and include the name of a specific radio station.
Okay Google, play Like from Radio playlist on Spotify.
Alright, your Spotify playlist called Liked from Radio. Here you go.
And there's our original radio back again. With for those who need a reversing camera. And there's the phone just sitting there. Pretty simple.